All right, here we have a 2016 GMC Sierra SLE. This one's only got 38,000 miles, got running boards, alloy wheels, fog lights, lots of nice equipment. Stop in and check it out today. Right here at the back of the Sierra, we have the backup camera. Of course, it has the trailering hitch, dual style plug-in, has the soft dampening tailgate, spray-in bed liner. Kind of spinning right into the inside here. It has the cloth seats. This model's a double cab. And right on into the front here we have your 8-inch MyLink radio screen with the backup camera. Has remote start, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, XM radio, OnStar, lots of nice equipment. All right, so just to recap, this 2016 GMC Sierra is located right here at Delaney Chevrolet. We're at 626 Water Street in downtown Indiana. Stop in, give us a call, 724-349-3000 to check out this GMC or any other vehicles we have here on the lot. Thanks and have a great day.